Hey everyone. In the past, Adobe Flash Player was used for interactive content like games, videos, and animations on websites. But Adobe discontinued Flash Player in December 2020 because it had serious security problems, and safer options like HTML5 became available. When we use privacy-focused browsers such as Tor Browser, security is even more important. Tor Browser is built to protect our anonymity, so it blocks or disables plugins like Flash that could put our privacy at risk. Before trying to install Flash Player on Tor Browser, we should understand the security and compatibility issues. This guide will explain if Flash Player can be installed on Tor Browser and why it is not supported. Tor Browser turns off external plugins, including Flash, because they can reveal information about our system and break our anonymity. Even if we install Flash manually, Tor Browser will not let it run. Also, since Flash is no longer supported or updated, getting it from unofficial sources could bring malware, security threats, and privacy leaks. This guide helps us understand these risks and suggests safer ways to access online content. While it might seem useful to install Flash Player to view all web content, doing this on Tor Browser is not supported or recommended. Flash is old, unsafe, and does not work with Tor's privacy features. Instead, we should use websites that rely on modern technologies like HTML5, or use a regular browser in a secure setting if we really need to. Keeping these risks in mind, protecting our security and anonymity always comes first, especially with privacy-focused browsers like Tor Browser. Tor Browser does not support Flash now because Tor can already play YouTube videos, and we can play animated games on this browser, so there is no need or permission to install Flash on Tor Browser. The video purpose is Tor is safe and 100% working without Flash Player.